are. Got a few hours to fish. Get set up, get the rods in the water. What is going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Just getting to the water. It's about 1:45. Doing some carp fishing today. On a little piece of river close to my house. Don't have a lot of time. It's already starting to rain on me. Supposed to be getting some rain in here the next couple hours, but decided to take a chance, come out here and see what we can do. But got everything all set up already. Got unhooking mat and sling. Got my net and everything over there. A rod pod with 2 rods over there. So we're going to be using pack bait and fake corn for the hook bait. So let's get everything baited up, get it in the water, and hopefully we can get a carp or 2. Stay with me. Let's get these rods baited up. For the pack bait, we've got Quaker Oates, panko, strawberry jello, and some cream corn. And like I said, our hook bait is just some fake yellow corn on a hair rick. But yeah, we've got rain coming, so I'm gonna turn my turn the bite indicators on. Bait it up on the second one. Put that over here somewhere. I put it right in here. Oh, there we go. So nice. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You got 2 fish on. Oh. We got 2 fish on. Holy cow. When it rains, it pours, huh? Oh, yeah. I don't even know if this one's on still, if we got caught up in a snag. This one just about peeled all my line off. Come on. He's not huge, but he's not a puny guy either. Come on, brother. I gotta try to net this guy. And deal with that other rod here. I don't know if he's even still on anymore. Come here, brother. Let's get the net. Get in that net. Get in that net. Actually, he's a decent fish, man. He is a decent fish. Oh, there we go. He's taking line. Can you believe this? There we go. Still got him on. Thought maybe he got a snag or something. This is why you bring 2 nets, huh? Oh yeah, there he is. Come on. Come on, dude. Don't get in that snag. He's the smaller of the 2. It looks to be. Still on. Come here. Maybe about the same size. I don't know. I just saw him. Oh yeah, actually he might be the bigger. Oh my God, okay. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do here. I gotta get, might just have to net them both. He's still in there. He is still in there. This guy's on. Oh, no, he's all tangled up. Come here. I think we're gonna try to drop you in and net you into with your buddy here. This is gonna be a cluster, huh? Come here. Come here. Come here. Get in the net with your buddy. Get in the net with your buddy. Oh yeah. Come on. Get in the net with your buddy. I'll deal with you both of you. There we go. We got 2 carp in the net. 2 carp in the net. What a cluster that was. Holy cow. 2 carp in the net. About the same size, man. Okay. Okay. Yep, these boys are about the same size. We got 2 carp in here. We got 2 carp in here. Holy cow, man. What a cluster. What a cluster. We got 2 carp. I'm going to show them off and then maybe weigh them quick. 2 carp came in at the same time. There's 1. This is the meatier of the 2. Both very. Don't do that, dude. I don't want to rough you up. Oh my God. Come on. Get back in here. This is the 2nd carp. We'll get weight on him quick, get him back in the water. Luckily I got kind of 2 slings. I'm gonna put you in the 1 sling here. There we go. About 19 pounds. About 19 pounds with the net, about 16 pounds without. 16-pound carp right here. He's the bigger of the 2. We'll get him back in the water and then weigh the other one quick. Get back in the sling, brother. Get your release, brother. Promise you. There we go. There we go. Get you some water. Get you some water. Nice, cool river water. There. You can take off when you're ready. There he goes. There he goes. All right, let's get this other guy, man. Put some more water on him. What a cluster. Get some nice water on you, brother. Straight from the riv. Let's get you in the sling. I'll get you a quick weight. There we go. Get you in that sling. This one looks to be the smaller of the two. This one's the smaller of the two. Just under 18. Just under 18 pounds with the sling. And so I'm gonna say 15. I think the sling is about 3 pounds. I gotta weigh it. There we go. Carp number 2, man. Two-fer. Good old two-fer. All right, let's get him back in the water. Okay. Come on, brother. We'll get you back in. Get you released. Okay. There we go. Come on. Get that nice fresh river water. There you go. There you go. There he goes. Holy cow, that was a cluster. Alright, the sling's about a pound. It's about 1 pound, so not 1 pound 9 ounces, 1.5 pounds. Alright, what a cluster, man. It was cool, but it was a cluster. Just got a two-fer. And I just weighed the sling. The sling's about 1.5 pounds. We'll just round it up to 2 pounds. The first one with the sling was about 19 pounds, so we'll say that was a 17 pounder. And then the second one I weighed was about 18 pounds, so we'll call that 16 pounds. So a two-fer, a 16 and a 17 pounder, not bad. Been here for about 2 hours, weren't getting any bites, and then all of a sudden, bang. It's like a light switch turned on, and we had both rods running, so. But we got them landed, got them released safely, so we're gonna fish for another, I don't know, maybe an hour or two. See if we can't bring in another one. We'll see what happens. Stay with me. I gotta pick up all my stuff here. I got hooks in the net I gotta get out and get baited back up, so. All right. That was chaos, man, but it was fun. All right, man. Let's get these baited back up. I don't know how much time we've got. It's been raining on and off, just light sprinkle, nothing bad. Hardcore, but I think some hardcore rain is coming. The skies south of me are looking pretty ominous. So, I don't know how much longer we've got to fish. I don't have any shelter or anything to get into. So, if it starts coming down hard, I'm gonna bail. But yeah, we'll get these bad boys baited up, get them out there. Maybe we can land one more. I'd be very happy with one more. I'm pretty happy with those two that I caught back to back. Or pretty much at the same time, not back to back, same time. So yeah, let's get these bad boys back in the water. Oh yeah, she's starting to come down pretty good right now. I'm kind of sheltered behind this tree. This little tree behind me, but Hopefully this is going to pass, but I don't know if it's going to. If it doesn't, then I'm going to bail soon. I'll check the radar here in a second, but last time I checked the radar, we had a big old massive rain coming our way, so. It was raining pretty good there for about a good half hour or so. Got pretty much soaked. But it stopped. It's a light sprinkle right now. It's about 2:45. So we're going to stick it out for maybe another hour. I'd like to get one more fish. But we'll see. Maybe we'll stick it out for 2 more hours. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to play it by ear. Hopefully the rain doesn't come back, at least not hard. Stick with me. One more fishy. One more fishy. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot, man. Shoot, shoot. There we go. Carp number 3. Hooked into. But we got to land him. He feels nice. He feels nice. He's running towards me. He's running towards me. He's gonna get in that other line. Come on, dude. He's got into that other line. Come on. What do they do that for? Oh, this is a nice carp. Come on, dude. Might just have to screw the other line. Don't want to lose this guy. I'd like to land him over here. Over here. Oh, he's got some power to him. This is a good sized carp, I think, man. Oh, he doesn't want to come up though, does he? There he is. Come on. Oh my God, he's fighting like crazy. Come here. Oh yeah, we got the other line wrapped. Of course. Oh yeah, come here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, get him in the net. There we go. We got him in the net. He's in the net. He's in the net. Holy cow. Oh. Come here, brother. Come here. There we go. Okay. Let's get some water on this guy here. There we go. All right. Carp number 3. He's the smaller of the 3. But he's still a nice carp. He fought like crazy, man. Fought like crazy. I'd say he's probably 12, 13 pounds. We're not gonna bother weighing him. We'll get him back in the water. There we go, brother. There we go. We'll get your right side up. There it goes. He's ready to go. He is ready to go. aren't you? There he is. There he goes. Both lines got all tangled up. I had to cut both lines. I lost hardware on one of the rods, so it's about 3:30. I'd like to get one more. I know I keep saying that, but one nice 15 plus pounder I'd like to get. So I'm just gonna fish with one rod. We're gonna get it baited back up, get back in the water, and see if we can't get that 15 plus pounder. All right, like I said, we're just gonna fish with the one rod here. I didn't feel like rigging back up the second rod that I lost the hardware on, so. We'll get this one baited up, get it out there, and see if we can't land one more. There we go. Yeah, baby. Number 4. Oh, yeah. Doesn't feel huge, but feels decent. There's another decent one. Might net you right over here this time. Ah, come on, get that net. Right into the net, brother. Oh yeah. Sometimes netting by yourself is not the easiest thing to do. There we go. We got him. We got him in the net. We got him in the net. Sweet. This is why I bring the beat down reels and rods, because I don't care about it scraping on the concrete. Ugh. Come here. Here we go. Let's get you over the mat here. Okay. Down, down. There we go. Get some water on you. There you go, brother. There we go. Yeah, you're a pretty fish. Let's get you on camera. Come on. Work with me. Oh, there we go. It's probably about 10, I'd say. About a 10 pounder. Beautiful carp. Good looking carp. Nice and clean looking, man. You're gonna be a big 30 pounder someday, aren't you? Say hi to the camera. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, brother. Ah, there. Let's get you back in the water, my friend. There we go, brother. There we go. Get nice water. Get that nice water, huh? Yeah. There he goes. All right, folks, with that fourth carp, I'm going to call it. The first two that we got, the two-fer, the ones that we got at the same time just about, were our two biggest ones of the day. I think they were, what'd I say? I forget. 16, 17, 15, 16, something like that. Last one before this one was probably 12-ish, I'd say. This one was probably about 10-ish. But yeah, not bad for a little, I don't know, 3-4 hour session out here. It's about 10 minutes to 4, so. But yeah, we're gonna call it. So as always, take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.